Warm welcome to the exciting world of animals. Will you please subscribe? The Asian barbets are a family of bird species, the Megalimidae, comprising two genera with 30 species native to the forests of the Indo-Malayan realm from Tibet to Indonesia. Since members of this clade are better treated under a single genus, they have been moved to the genus Cylopogon, which was described and erected earlier than Megalema, and is therefore chosen on the basis of taxonomic priority principles. Nearly all members of the family are now in the genus Cylopogon, with the exception of the Caloramphus, which is thought to have genetically diverged from the common ancestor around 21.32 million years ago. The latter species is distinct enough to warrant placement in a distinct subfamily Caloramphinae. The diversity is concentrated around the Malay Peninsula and Sumatra. They are usually plum-looking, with large heads, and their heavy bill is fringed with bristles. The great barbet is the largest of the species. As in most species, fruit constitutes a large part of the diet of the Taiwan barbet. Asian barbets usually live in inner forests. One species, the coppersmith barbet, is adapted to life on the forest edge and in scrub. They are mainly solitary birds, eating insects and fruit. Figs of the genus Ficus are the most important fruit taken by Asian barbets. Large fig trees will attract several species of barbet along with other frugivores. In addition to figs, numerous other species of fruiting tree and bush are visited. An individual barbet may feed on as many as 60 different species in its range. They will also visit plantations and take cultivated fruit and vegetables. Fruit is eaten whole, and indigestible materials such as seed pits regurgitated later. Regurgitation does not usually happen in the nest. As well as taking fruit, barbets also take arthropod prey, gleaned from the branches and trunks of trees. A wide range of insects are taken, including ants, cicadas, dragonflies, crickets, locusts, beetles, moths, and mantids. The precise nesting details of many species are not yet known. Like many members of their order, Pisiformes, their nests are in holes bored into a tree, and they usually lay between 2 and 4 eggs, incubated for 13 to 15 days. There is generally not much interaction between Asian barbets and humans. Although none of the Asian barbets are considered threatened, several species are known to be intolerant of deforestation and require old-growth forest to thrive. Thank you for your interest in wildlife. See you pretty soon. Take care and be safe.